think the more polyphenol, the better, you better think again. Today, we're gonna dive into a surprising truth about extra virgin olive oil and polyphenols that might flip everything you thought you knew. Ciao and welcome to the world of Papa Vince. If you are serious about the polyphenol content in your extra virgin olive oil, you are in the right place. Today, we're gonna cover this crucial topic: why more polyphenol isn't necessarily better. In fact, too much of a good thing could be harmful. First of all, what are polyphenols? Polyphenols are compounds found in plants that have anti-inflammatory properties. They help, or I would say they protect the plant from environmental stress like UV light, heat, and even from being eaten from animals. Polyphenols are also important to humans. Why? Because it helps our body fight oxidative stress, which is linked to inflammation and other health issues. In the world of in the world of olive oil, polyphenols is what make extra virgin olive oil a superfood. But what we're about to discuss is that not all polyphenols are created the same, and the more polyphenols doesn't necessarily mean the better. Here is where things get interesting. There is a common belief that the higher the polyphenol content, the better the extra virgin olive oil. You may even see brands counting like 3 times more polyphenol levels than regular olive oil as a selling point. But here is the truth: having higher levels of polyphenols may not necessarily deliver more health benefits. In fact, it can be a little bit too much of a good thing. Just like medicine, when the doctor gives you a specific dose to achieve a certain therapeutic event, extra virgin olive oil just works the same way. You don't need to flood your body with polyphenols to get the benefit. In fact, the sweet spot, according to the European Food Safety Association, is 250 mg/kg of polyphenols. This is the amount shown to protect your blood lipids from oxidative stress, which is related to the prevention of cardiovascular diseases. Let me tell you a story that perfectly illustrates why more polyphenol isn't always better. There is an African antelope called Kudus, and in certain reserves, the researchers noticed that these Kudus were mysteriously, all of a sudden, dropping dead. When they dug deeper into the issue, they found out that this particular Kudus were consuming high levels of tannin. Yes, tannin is a type of polyphenol found in acacia trees. As it turned out, these acacia trees were producing more tannin as a self-preservation mechanism because the Kudus were eating too much of their leaves. The acacia trees were essentially poisoning the Kudus with polyphenols. Even more fascinating is that the plants that were located outside of the reserve were also producing a lot of tannin because plants communicate through air and the soil. I'm not saying that you are gonna get poisoned because of the high levels of polyphenols in the extra virgin olive oil, but what I'm trying to say is too much of a good thing, like tannin in acacia trees or polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil may backfire. This brings us back to the European Food Safety Authority. According to the European Food Safety Authority, to make a scientifically backed claim that olive oil helps or protects blood lipid cells from oxidative stress, the olive oil needs to have at least a minimum of 250 mg over kg polyphenols. This level has been studied extensively and shown to provide the optimal health benefits. The point is that you do not need a 30 times more polyphenol extra virgin olive oil to achieve more health benefits. In fact, there is no research showing that consuming more than 250 will add any extra benefit. What's important is that you consume a balanced olive oil that meets this threshold. And that's when hydroxytyrosol, the most powerful polyphenol in olive oil, comes in. In fact, hydroxytyrosol, well, that one, is the superhero. It's actually the polyphenol that has the highest antioxidant capabilities and is the one that the European Food Safety Authority claim that has the power to actually protect your blood lipids. And there is one more thing about hydroxytyrosol, is the one polyphenol that can cross the brain-blood barrier, and that means that it offers neuroprotective effects. And remember, you don't need massive amount of polyphenols to get these benefits. All you need is a polyphenol that meets the 250 mg over kg threshold. Therefore, if you are serious about extra virgin olive oil, it's no longer about finding the extra virgin olive oil that has the highest content of polyphenol. No, it's about finding an extra virgin olive oil that is balanced. Basically, it meets the 250 threshold and contains hydroxytyrosol, and it comes from a trusted source. And this is why we are so proud to introduce to you Papa Vince extra virgin olive oil. Is made from Nocellara del Balici, which actually gives us the ability to produce an extra virgin olive oil that has 3 times more hydroxytyrosol than the average. And we don't stress the trees. It's something that happens because of the climate and because of the area. It's something that is naturally balanced. If you want to learn more about our lab-tested extra virgin olive oil, just click the link below. This extra virgin olive oil actually meets the threshold established by the European Food Safety Authorities of 250 mg over kg, and most importantly, this extra virgin olive oil is perfectly balanced. That means that it has an amazing taste. You can actually use this extra virgin olive oil as your daily dose. You can just take it straight, and you can also drizzle in all your food to add amazing flavor. And that is why consuming a balanced extra virgin olive oil is so important, because you can actually enjoy it. Click the link below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and make sure you give us a like. And thank you for watching Papa Vince. See you in the next video.